Do you happen to have all this clutter on your working space, whether it be on your desk, your office, or wherever? Well, let me show you a brand by Colf. This is their flagship brand called Wallganize, and it's going to transform your working space into something spectacular just like this. So, stay tuned. So this Colf brand is perfect for messy workstations, just like what I have, and it comes with many accessories as well. As you can see, all these are pretty much, it looks like origami style, but it is pretty much, there is no adhesive. It's all worked by magnet. So this is a very nice feature because it doesn't need any adhesive or tape. All it needs is just for you to just figure out how to organize and orientate the product, and then it will just magnetize itself. And what's great about this is it is portable, so that you can transfer this in one workstation to the next if you do are working in an office space or around your house. If you're planning to move your work area and you want to go to a different area, then you can just collapse everything and just it works well. And it comes with these little card holders as well, a little extra from Colf. So very perfect for if you have a lot of cards. Also, what's great about this card holder is it has the RFID blocking feature, which ensures that the data is kept safe and secure. And what I like about this is it has all these magcessorries, what they call it. So all these are pretty much magnetic clips, and it can hold it onto this little hexagonal shapes magnetic pads. Behind each one of these pads comes these double-sided adhesive. All you gotta do is peel it back and just stick it onto your wall. So there's also this AR app that they offer that you can download on your smartphone, whether it be Android or iPhone, and you can arrange the pattern that you want accordingly, and you can actually real life simulate it on your wall before you actually attach, so you can figure out what it looks like before you actually stick it to your wall. Now after you do this, I prefer using a level, and then you can orientate everything after that. Everything should be nice and straight. You can choose any pattern you want. There is no limits onto designs. You can just orientate it the way that you want to function in your work area. And as you can see, all these little accessories that they come with, they just magnetize, and there are so many ways you can orientate all these little pieces. You can use it for your pencil holder, and I choose to use this also to hold my keys as well. So this is a very nifty little idea, little cords that you don't like lying on your desk, and perfect. I like this feature right here where there's a pen, and as you can see, it is nice and organized now on my workstation. And they also come with this little planner book. It's also magnetized as well. You can pick whatever you want from the wall and just grab and go. So another great feature about this Attachnote notebook is that it can be used to hold your iPad or iPhone upright, or you can just use this to attach your pen, pencil on your desk, so it can be an easy access for any small gadgets that you may have. Another great feature of the Wallganize product is called this Blankstatic. It's pretty much just 4 rectangular areas that you can just customize to put any types of the attachments that you choose. Here you can go to many different type of possibilities that you want to organize your area. So simple as that. Colf Wallganize also developed a platform called the NFC. So this is pretty much a near field communication. It's a short range wireless technology that allows devices to communicate with each other. So let's example, you're just lying on your bed and you're sitting in your work area, and you just want to use the NFC integrated in the Hexstatic Plus to turn on the lights in your backyard or start playing music in your living room. Touching the back of your phone to the Hexstatic platform is all that it takes. So another cool feature is this cordless charger. It also is magnetic. If you want to learn more about this product, I'll leave the link in the description down below, and please comment because I'll be picking a winner. I'll be giving a set of this to one of you lucky winners and one of my fellow subscribers. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.